gonna teach you a side hustle uh, that anyone can do. This is very easy. Okay, so if you want to make money online, if you got a TikTok, an Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, whatever platform, social media platform you use, and you've been creating content and not making any money, well, I'm going to show you how to do that today. Okay, and it's very easy. All right, so the way I'm going to show you, and this side hustle is called affiliate marketing. Okay, so the easiest way to start an affiliate marketing side hustle is to join an affiliate program. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you about an affiliate program and what an affiliate is. Okay. Now, before I go any further, remember to check out my YouTube channel. It's King Mario, and you can see it. You can follow it on my TikTok page here, side hustle underscore number one. Okay. So firstly, I'm gonna tell you what is affiliate marketing, right? What is affiliate marketing? And it's very easy. Anyone can do this. You don't need any money to start this off. Uh, it's free. Okay. What is affiliate marketing? How to start in 4 easy steps. All right. You probably you probably use websites that are monetized with affiliate marketing all the time, often without realizing so. And there's a reason why. It's one of the most popular ways for bloggers and webmasters to earn an income from their digital assets. Now, let me just summarize this. Say uh, you're a YouTube person, okay? You got your YouTube channel and you upload videos on YouTube, whatever videos it may be, okay? And you're not making any money, or you're not making money as quickly as you should, because you know on YouTube you gotta have a certain amount of views or subscribers before you start getting money, okay? Now, what you can do is you can use whatever traffic you're getting on that platform on YouTube to advertise someone else's product. Okay, now let's go on. The industry is worth an estimate estimated 12 billion right now and is set to grow by at least a further 10% over the next few years. Okay, now we can skip that up. But to be successful with affiliate marketing, you need to understand what it is, how to get started, and how to earn money from the channel. Okay, that's what I just said. The good news is that anyone who has an online presence and ability to drive traffic can earn with affiliate marketing by promoting other people's products. Okay, that's exactly what I just said. This guide will introduce you to affiliate marketing, specifically looking at what affiliate marketing is, why is affiliate marketing so popular, who does affiliate marketing work, the whole works, okay? How are affiliates paid, popular affiliate websites you probably already using. Uh, so to summarize affiliate marketing is This is marketing. Affiliate marketing is a performance based advertising method where businesses pay a commission on conversion to an affiliate. Essentially, an affiliate earns money by promoting and selling other people's products just without holding any stock, having to fulfill orders or deals with customer services, sales, and tracked via affiliate links to enable commission to be calculated. Okay, sales are tracked via affiliate links. All right. So basically, what this is saying is you join an affiliate program. I'm going to show you how to do that.